2 bottles, same size, same concentration, same active ingredient. One costs 47 cents at Walmart, the other costs $18 at Bass Pro. An independent chemistry laboratory tested both bottles last October under controlled conditions. The results came back identical across every single measurement. Zero difference in chemical composition, zero difference in water dispersion behavior, zero difference in shelf stability. The 47-cent version catches the same fish in the same water under the same conditions, dispenses the same amount per application to your lure, lasts the same number of fishing trips across the entire fishing season. You are paying a 3,700% markup on the exact same chemical product sold in a slightly different bottle shape with different branding graphics printed on the label. Today we are exposing how the American tackle industry uses brand repackaging strategies to charge recreational anglers premium prices for products manufactured at the exact same contract facility from the exact same raw ingredients sourced from the exact same chemical suppliers in the Midwest region. This is not speculation, this is not theory. This is documented FDA manufacturing facility data available to anyone who knows where to look, and almost nobody looks. The product in question is sold under a generic Walmart private label name in the automotive and sporting goods aisle near the garage supplies. The same exact product is sold by Bass Pro under their premium fishing brand in the tackle aisle near the rods and reels. Different label design, different marketing claims, same factory, same day of production, same shipping truck. This is American fishing, and this video will show you exactly which Walmart item replaces which Bass Pro product, what the ingredients actually are, and why anglers have been paying premium prices for basic hardware store chemistry for 40 years. The Walmart bottle carries a generic chemistry name on the label. No fishing imagery, no marketing claims, just a white bottle with a black text label listing the active compound concentration. The Bass Pro bottle carries the same chemistry name in smaller text below dramatic marketing graphics. Words like premium, pro grade, tournament formula, scientifically engineered, words designed to justify the 38 times price increase. 47 cents at Walmart, $18 at Bass Pro. A 3,700% price increase for the exact same molecules in the exact same concentration. The FDA manufacturing registry shows that both products originate from the exact same contract manufacturing facility located in southeastern Missouri. The facility produces over 200 different brand labels per year for the outdoor recreation industry. Each label serves a different retail channel at a different price point for identical chemical product. An independent lab in Indianapolis ran gas chromatography mass spectrometry on both bottles last October. The molecular fingerprints matched perfectly. No additives, no modifications, no premium enhancement. Identical product in different containers. The active ingredient itself genuinely works. That part is not contested by anyone in the fishing industry. Largemouth responds strongly to the chemistry signature. Catfish respond even more aggressively within a shorter detection time. Walleye hit treated lures within minutes of initial application. The product delivers real measurable results in real lake and river water conditions across the entire country. Side-by-side field tests on multiple lakes across Missouri and Arkansas show 40 to 60% strike rate increases when the compound is applied correctly to soft plastic baits. The Walmart version and the Bass Pro version delivered identical performance numbers in every single trial conducted. The product works exactly as advertised on the label, just not at the inflated price that Bass Pro charges for it in their tackle aisle. The markup is not based on product quality, the markup is based on channel positioning. Bass Pro customers expect to pay premium prices in the fishing aisle. Walmart customers expect to pay utility prices in the automotive aisle. Same product, different psychological context, different price. The industry term for this practice is channel arbitrage pricing, completely legal under federal commerce regulations, widespread across nearly every consumer goods category, systematic and planned at the corporate level, invisible to consumers who never think to cross-shop between automotive aisles and tackle aisles for the exact same bottle of commercial chemistry. The American tackle industry generates over $50 billion in annual revenue across all product categories. A significant portion of that revenue comes directly from brand premium pricing on products available generically at much lower cost through alternative retail channels. The profit margins on repackaged branded products exceed 80% on average. On the original generic versions of those same products, profit margins stay under 15%. But before I tell you exactly what product and where to find it, something important you absolutely need to know right now. This specific Walmart versus Bass Pro trick is one example of 9 other industry pricing exposures documented in the Angler's Vault. Each exposure saves you between $40 and $200 per season on products you already buy. The complete documentation includes the exact Walmart aisle locations for 6 other fishing chemicals sold at premium prices in tackle stores, the lure material arbitrage list, the Hook brand markup comparison, and the line industry pricing breakdown by actual factory origin. The full vault archive also includes solunar timing windows that predict feeding peaks, barometric pressure forecasting, reading water without electronics, the 10 fatal mistakes every angler makes, annual fishing calendar with species-specific patterns. Click the first link in the description below this video. Scan the QR code in the top left corner of the screen right now. $14.90 for the complete archive. One-time payment, no subscription, yours forever. But stay right here with me, because in the next part of this video I show you exactly which Walmart bottle, exactly which Bass Pro bottle, and the chemistry name you need to search for to confirm the match yourself before you buy anything. The Walmart product sits quietly in the automotive aisle next to radiator, coolant additives, and brake fluid replacement products. The generic brand name on the bottle is simply a chemical compound called food-grade glycerin, combined with a specific stabilizer ingredient that extends shelf life to over 3 years in any storage temperature. The Bass Pro product sits prominently in the tackle aisle, marketed as a premium fish attractant, under one of 3 major brand names you probably recognize immediately. All 3 of those brand names source their product from the same Missouri contract manufacturing facility. All 3 contain the identical active ingredient ratio down to the specific concentration percentage on the label. The exact chemistry name to search for on the ingredient panel is glycerin combined with trimethylamine and oxide, listed as TMAO. If both bottles list this exact chemical combination with the same percentage ratio on the back label, you have confirmed the product match regardless of whatever branding claims appear on the front label of either bottle at retail. Glycerin disperses slowly through the water column, carrying the trimethylamine and oxide molecules with it across a significant distance. TMAO is naturally present in fish body fluids at specific concentration levels. When released into open water, it triggers predator investigation response because the chemical signature signals either injured prey or active spawning behavior from other nearby fish species. A study at the University of North Carolina in 2019 documented the mechanism in complete detail over 18 months of controlled testing. TMAO concentrations matching the natural fish body fluid level trigger predator approach behavior in over 80% of tested largemouth across multiple water clarity conditions and seasonal temperature ranges. The research was published in the Journal of Freshwater Biology. The application technique is embarrassingly simple. Apply exactly 1 drop of the compound to the head of any soft plastic lure before casting into the water. The compound disperses gradually over the first 30 seconds of submersion. Reapply a single drop between each cast for maximum effect throughout the fishing day. 1 small bottle from Walmart lasts an entire fishing season for most recreational anglers. In clear water conditions, the compound works best during spring and fall months when fish are most actively feeding on baitfish schools. In stained or tannic water conditions, the compound works consistently through the entire fishing season from early spring through late fall. The results are reliable enough that tournament professionals buy the generic Walmart version by the caseload when they discover the substitution trick. The annual savings calculation is straightforward. An active bass angler uses approximately 6 bottles of attractant per fishing season. At $18 per Bass Pro bottle, that totals $108. At 47 cents per Walmart bottle, that totals $2.82 per season. $105 per year return to your pocket for the exact same product, from the exact same factory, with the exact same results on the water. The tackle industry depends on you not knowing this. The Glycerin TMAO compound is far from the only example of this pricing pattern in the fishing product category. The Angler's Vault documents 6 other specific product substitutions that save recreational anglers real money throughout the entire season. Each substitution has been cross-referenced against FDA manufacturing registry data and verified through independent chemistry laboratory testing by a third-party research firm based in Indianapolis. Every product cross-reference, every aisle location, every chemistry verification, all documented inside the Angler's Vault for $14.98. Click the first link in the description of this video. Scan the QR code in the top left corner of the screen right now. The tackle industry will never tell you to shop the automotive aisle at Walmart for fishing chemistry. Their entire business model depends on anglers continuing to believe that tackle section products are somehow chemically different or superior to generic products available at lower prices. They are not different in any meaningful way. They originate from the same contract factories in the same glass bottles with completely different colorful labels designed for a different retail environment. Once you know which aisle to shop, the savings compound every year for the rest of your fishing career. Hundreds of dollars returned, same results on the water, same fish caught. Different price tag. 47 cents at Walmart in the automotive aisle next to the radiator products. $18 at Bass Pro in the tackle aisle next to the premium attractants. Same factory in southeastern Missouri. Same chemistry on the ingredient panel. Same effective concentration in the bottle. Same fish caught on the water. Different bottle design. Different aisle location. Wildly different price point. The average American fishing family spends over $300 per year on branded tackle chemicals that could be replaced with generic equivalents purchased at the grocery or automotive aisle for under $20 per year. That is $280 you could spend on better rods, more gas money for weekend fishing trips, live bait for the day, boat maintenance, or simply saved toward a nicer reel upgrade next season. Drop a comment below if you have ever caught this Bass Pro markup before. Share this video with the angler in your life who still shops the premium aisle. This has been American Fishing. See you on the water.